At Ellen, yes, Ellen. I need the architect that I was spoken last week, he gave me already a proposal, but I need, well, three, about two or three, it's better, isn't it? Rather than you only talk to one person, to one architect. Oh, really, Ellen? Your friend with Anora. Well, yes. Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. I'm live. Come here. Say hello. I'm just trying. Okay. Oh, that's the Facebook of an architect. Okay, from Bulacan apparently. So we could really say hello. This is my husband who will be having a 50th birthday Saturday, guys. So, yeah, I'll go and check that
I don't know anyway.
Facebook account.
You're live streaming, right?
Huh?
You're live streaming.
Yeah, because this is live.
Testing.
Yeah.
How many you got?
I got 5 earlier. Oh, is that not allowed, Roel? Ellen, add mo na lang ako sa sa Facebook ko. Tita Ching Kitchen din yung Facebook ko, Tita Ching Kitchen. Ayan. Thank you. Joel handsome. No. It's still on Roel, it's this coming Saturday is his birthday. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, hey, Ellen, just message, just add me in my Facebook account. Tita Ching Kitchen din. Hello, kusina ni Nanay Hilda. Hello, Kabsat. Kumusta? Ang daming bubbles, yes. Inano ko lang yung bubbles para hindi naman masyadong, para hindi boring. Okay po, yes. Bubble Queen. Just to distract something, because if there's no bubbles there, it will be just boring. Yeah. Meron na ba akong 30 minutes? Marunong din pa pala ako mag live. This one. I saw the yummy biko obisim so saraba. I don't eat sugary beshi. I know, no, it's not really good for you, the sweets one. So you need to be healthy, eating healthy diet, isn't it, Rawel? Yan na gusto ko. Kusina ni Nanay Hilda. Yes, sabi ni Nanay Hilda. Kastoy lata kabsat na lapsat lata. Yes, that's true. For a while, sorry, I'll need to speak once in a while with our language. I hope you don't mind. Yeah. Okay. Dapat patay naman tong mga ko.